Perfect. Keep those elbows nice and high and keep your eyes up if possible. If not, then just focus on where you're going. Perfect. Inhale down, exhale up. Beautiful. Keep going. Excellent. Right into 15. Excellent work. Keep going. Perfect. Keep going. Nice pace. Feel the glutes. Good. That's better. Keep that focus on. Excellent. Keep the elbows higher and keep the pace the same. Brilliant. Slow the negative down. Stabilize the chair. I know it's more challenging. Stabilize the chair with your back foot and your core. Perfect. All right, switch. Now, hips go all the way back. Yes, even further back if you can. Brilliant. Excellent work. That's it. Perfect. Excellent. Keep going. Stay focused. Keep going. Keep breathing. Brilliant. Okay, almost there. Good focus. Keep the elbows high, fight harder, go for it. Excellent. Good work. Okay, right into squats and front kicks. Keep your hands up. Squat, front kick. Squat, front kick. Keep your back straight, chest up, front kick. There you go. Get the legs up a little bit higher. Perfect. Perfect. 30 seconds to go. Keep going. It's a 45-second set. Beautiful. 20 seconds. Nice. And 10 seconds to go. Bring it on, bring it on. Okay. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Awesome. How did that feel?
Wow. Definitely burning.